G'day guys, it's Ashton Cartwright here from PaidAuthor.com. Today we're going to be going through the cover creator for KDP paperbacks. Now this is the book we're going to be doing. It's called The Unbeliever, and we had a paperback already set up through CreateSpace previously, and we've got the Kindle version live there, but we're going to put a new cover on it. So I'll go through and show you how we do that. Now I've already pre-filled all the details here about the book, the description and whatnot. Now what I'm going to do though is the description here, before you go to the next page, it's worth just pressing Control C to copy that, because you'll want to have the same details in the description here actually put onto the cover as well, which doesn't do that automatically. Alright, so save and continue. So that's all the basic stuff, the title and the author and whatnot. These are all the defaults we're using for paperbacks through KDP. We're going with everything exactly as it normally is, so whatever they recommend, which is black and white interior with white paper, 6:9, which is the most popular book size, and leaving everything else as it is. We're going with the matte cover finish. You can also select glossy. In fact, let's go glossy for this one. Here's the manuscript that's already been uploaded, which is the interior. You need to do that before you get the cover designed, because KDP has to calculate the width of the spine of the book, and obviously a different number of pages means it has to be a certain number of pixels wide. So you need to upload that before you go on to make the cover. So here we are, we're going to the book cover here. You can upload a cover if you've already designed one as a PDF, but we're going to use their cover creator software. Here it is here. Alrighty, launching cover creator. Okay, how to use the cover creator. Step 1, choose a design. Step 2, style and edit it so we can customize the layout. Step 3, we preview it to make sure it's all working properly. That's fine, so we'll continue and get stuck into it. So, first thing is we can get images for the cover. You can either get one from their image gallery, which will be a bunch of generally pretty generic images, and I'd not recommend using that option. Even if you're on a budget and trying to do your book as close to free as you can, I wouldn't bother just getting a random generic image. I'd probably spend $15 or $20 and try and find someone to design you even a very basic cover online. But we've already had a cover designed for the Kindle version, so we're going to show you how to use the same one, which is what we want to do for the paperback. So this is it here. Unbeliever is the title. It's 300 DPI. DPI stands for dots per inch, and it needs to be that high quality so that it prints without looking blurry on the final paperback. Okay, so we're going to upload that one here. As you can see, they've got a few sort of default templates, and so now it's superimposed our cover design on all of these. Just turn off the microphone, the speakers there, causing a bit of feedback. Alrighty. So we've got a few options. What we're going to do is just use the front cover on the front and have a matte or a glossy black on the back. Because we've uploaded an image, it can't tell that it's already designed as a cover. It just says it's an image. So you can have it sort of laid out like this, have wraparound images like that. Because we had ours designed just as a front cover, we want it all just on the front cover. We don't want it stretched between the front and the back like these are. So we're going to go with this design here. So this is the basic one. So we've got our front cover there, looking good. Barcode area. You'll see here this is all just Latin words. This is just a placeholder, so that's obviously not what we want, so we'll end up changing that to our own description there. Now, there's a few different options. See here, it's got a spot if you want to put your author profile picture there, and again that would need to be 300 dpi if you want to upload that. And this section here is for a little biography if you wanted a biography about the author. We're not going to bother with those things, so we're going to find a different layout that suits us a bit better. We can flick through each of these here, and it has different layouts. All these ones have author photos, but we don't want to use that for our purposes. So what we'll go to is this one here, which will just have the description, spot for the barcode, front of the book. Alright, so let's select that one. Now because we copied the text for the book, we can just Control V to paste it in there. Excellent. That looks good. So we'll save that as it is. So you see here it's filled in the title and the author name on the side there. So that's saved. Now we can preview it and see how it looks. I quite like this software. It's all pretty straightforward. And if you've already had the front cover designed for your Kindle, it's silly not to use it on the paperback as well. Okay, so now it's going through and just formatting it. There we go. So that's just what we want. So it'll be our cover image on the front, black spine with the title of the book, author's title, and then on the back of the book we'll have the description. You can't see it here, but down the bottom they'll put the barcode in so that it can be scanned. And that's it. Save and submit. That's fine. Beautiful. So that's all done. After you've got the cover set, it'll ask you to preview, do a final preview, which will show you the interior combined with the cover, so you can make sure everything's looking fine like that. That takes a few minutes to go to format, so I won't bother showing you now, but it's basically the exact same process as we just went through, but also lets you flip through the book itself. I hope that's been of some use to you. My name's Ashton. Thanks very much for watching.